Hey, facilities managers, specification managers, and mechanical consultants out there, this deep dive is for you.
Yeah, you got it.
We're going to be tackling something that's not just a trend, it's a responsibility. Lead-free plumbing.
Yeah.
Specifically, lead-free showers and taps.
That's right. And it's fascinating. Many people think lead is only a problem in, old pipes, but outdated taps and showers, those can be silent culprits too,
Right.
leaching lead into the water we use every single day.
And that's why we're focusing on FM Mattssons. They've partnered with Chalice MS Ltd, the UK's largest manufacturer of antimicrobial showers and taps, to offer a complete range of 100% lead-free solutions.
Hmm.
But before we get into the specifics of their products, let's unpack WHY. This is such a critical issue.
Yeah.
Did you know that even low levels of lead exposure can impact a child's IQ?
It's absolutely true. Lead is a neurotoxin, and children are especially vulnerable because their brains are still developing. But it's not just about kids. Lead can accumulate in the body over time, and it can affect everyone from the elderly to those with compromised immune systems.
And the scary part is, it's not always obvious. We can't see or taste lead in the water. So how did it even get in there in the first place?
Well, it can leach from aging pipes, of course, but like we mentioned, it's also present in many older taps and shower fixtures. Think brass fittings. Those can contain significant amounts of lead. And every time water flows through, a little bit of that lead can leach into the water you're using for drinking, cooking, even bathing.
So even if a building has, like, relatively new pipes, if the taps and showers haven't been updated, there's still a risk. That's a sobering thought.
It is, and that's where understanding the regulations becomes crucial, particularly for those facilities managers responsible for the health and safety of building occupants.
All right, let's break down the UK's regulatory landscape. What are the key guidelines that we need to be aware of?
Well, the Drinking Water Inspectorate sets a maximum allowable lead concentration in drinking water, and that's currently 10 UGL. This is a really important benchmark.
But there are other regulations too, right?
Right. Absolutely. Building Regulations Part G, that specifically addresses water safety. It ensures that systems are designed to minimize those contamination risks. And of course, we need to consider the World Health Organization guidelines, which provide a global perspective on safe water practices.
So facilities managers have to juggle compliance with all of these. What happens if they don't meet the standards?
Non-compliance. That can lead to serious legal and financial risks. We're talking fines, potential lawsuits, even damage to their reputation. No facility manager wants to deal with that.
Especially not when there are proactive solutions available. And that's where FM Mattssons' commitment to 100% lead-free really stands out. It's not just about meeting those minimum requirements. It's about going above and beyond to protect people's health.
Exactly. And that brings us to the advantages of specifying lead-free solutions, like those offered by FM Mattson and Chalice MS Ltd. The benefits go beyond just compliance.
Okay, let's dive into those benefits. What are some of the key advantages for those facilities managers?
First and foremost, you're ensuring the highest possible water quality for everyone in the building. This is especially important in sensitive environments, like hospitals, schools, and care homes, where vulnerable populations are present.
It's about creating a healthier, safer environment for everyone who uses the building. But what about the bottom line? Does going lead-free have financial benefits as well?
Absolutely. Think long-term. Lead-free systems are inherently more durable. That means fewer repairs, less maintenance, and a longer lifespan for your plumbing fixtures.
So you're actually saving money in the long run by investing in higher quality lead-free solutions from the outset.
Precisely. And let's not forget the growing demand for sustainable buildings. Lead-free solutions align perfectly with that trend, demonstrating a commitment to both environmental and human health.
It's about making responsible choices that benefit everyone. But what about the specifics of FM Mattssons' products? What makes their lead-free solutions so unique?
Well, FM Mattson and Chalice MS Ltd, they've really gone all in on lead-free. Their entire product range, from taps to shower heads, it's all 100% lead-free. That's a powerful statement. And it's a game changer for facilities managers, for those looking to create those truly healthy buildings.
Yeah, it's a level of commitment you don't see from every manufacturer. But it's not just about being lead-free. Their products are also designed with durability and ease of maintenance in mind, right?
Absolutely. They use high-quality materials, like desinfection-resistant brass, which is incredibly resistant to corrosion. So that means longer product lifespans and fewer headaches for facilities managers, those dealing with repairs and replacements.
So less downtime and lower maintenance costs in the long run. That's a win for everyone. What about water efficiency? Is that a consideration in their designs as well?
Yes, definitely. FM Mattson incorporates features like flow regulators and aerators in their taps and shower heads, which help to reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance.
That's smart. It's about saving water and saving money, all while delivering a great user experience. Seems like they've really thought of everything.
They have, and what's even more impressive is they've managed to achieve all of this while maintaining a sleek, modern design aesthetic. Their products look great in any setting.
That's important. No one wants to compromise on style, especially in today's design-conscious world. But let's bring this back to our listeners. You know those facilities managers and specifiers? The ones making those decisions about plumbing systems. How can specifying FM Mattson Chalasag Plus products give them a competitive edge?
Imagine being able to tell your clients, we've specified a plumbing system that not only meets, but exceeds all safety standards. It protects the health of everyone in the building. It's environmentally responsible, and it looks fantastic. That's a powerful selling point.
Yeah, it's about demonstrating a commitment to quality and well-being. That goes beyond just the bare minimum. Clients are increasingly looking for partners who share their values, and this is a tangible way to show that.
It is. And let's not forget the potential impact on property value. A building with a state-of-the-art lead-free plumbing system, that's a more attractive investment for those buyers and tenants alike. It's about peace of mind, knowing that the water is safe, and the building is designed for long-term health and sustainability.
It's a smart investment that pays off in multiple ways. We've covered a lot of ground today. But before we wrap up, I want to touch on something you mentioned earlier, the global perspective on safe water practices. What are some of the emerging trends or innovations that our listeners should be aware of?
Well, one thing that's really interesting is increasing focus on point-of-use filtration. We're seeing more and more advancements in filtration technology that can remove not just lead, but a whole host of other contaminants right at the tap.
So it's an extra layer of protection, ensuring the purest possible water for drinking and cooking. What about smart plumbing systems? I've heard a lot of buzz about those lately.
Yeah, smart plumbing is definitely on the rise. Imagine systems that can monitor water usage in real time, detect leaks instantly, and even automatically shut off the water supply to prevent major damage.
That would be a game changer for facilities managers, saving them time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. And from a sustainability perspective, it's a huge step forward in terms of water conservation.
Absolutely. And we're even seeing systems that can analyze water quality data and provide insights into potential issues before they become major problems.
So it's like having a built-in early warning system for your plumbing. That's incredible. It sounds like the future of plumbing is all about smart, sustainable solutions that prioritize health and efficiency.
It is. And companies like FM Mattson are at the forefront of that movement, constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the dangers of lead contamination to the latest advancements in plumbing technology. But I think the key takeaway for our listeners is this: specifying lead-free solutions. It's not just about compliance. It's about making a conscious choice to protect the health and well-being of everyone who uses the building.
It's about creating a legacy of health, sustainability, and responsibility.
And FM Mattson Chalasag Plus, with their commitment to 100% lead-free products and innovative designs, is a partner you can trust to help you achieve those goals. So to all of our facilities managers, specification managers, and mechanical consultants out there, we hope this deep dive has given you the knowledge and inspiration you need to make informed decisions for your next project.
Remember, every choice we make has an impact. Choose wisely, choose lead-free, and choose a healthier future for everyone.
Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and thanks for joining us on the deep dive.